Hey everyone, welcome to Michael's Market Monday. Here, 3 weeks into June, and really it's pretty much the same we talked about at the beginning of the month. Appetite pretty low at the mills, so on the ferrous side, just not a lot of appetite. Prices trending sideways, Turkey coming out with a bunch of loads. So they're doing cargoes and it is up money. So some of the bottom feeders coming out with the anticipation that this is probably the bottom of the market, making some sales, but just for those West Coasters out there, just not a lot of action on the West Coast. So haven't seen a West Coast cargo go out in quite some time. The last ones that went out were sideways, and then the previous week before that down just nominally. So freight will be a factor. It has gone up a little bit, but we're seeing Zurich and Zorba, up, so that balances out what the freight differential is there in terms of the freight increase. So bulk cargo should be looking up going into the month, into the new month, July, even though there's just not been a lot of demand. So we should see some things and anticipating that it will tick up. In terms of the mills, still, you have the Midwest that was down up to $50 a ton. That's on prime grades though. So really where it shook out was about $10 to $20 down in the Midwest. So, and again, that's just based on demand. They just don't have the orders. So seeing that on the non-ferrous side as well with aluminums, they have inventory and not looking to go reach out and get super aggressive on new buys. So the volatility in the base metals market having to do a lot with the strength of the US dollar. Continues to see that with the copper taking big moves. Today, filming on Fridays, down 14 cents. So pretty significant move down, very volatile, especially with the copper. Aluminum staying pretty steady, and then nickel products also staying pretty steady, although domestic demand for nickel-bearing products has been pretty low. So the volume is up, and in most of the yards, pretty busy just about everywhere. The weather's great here in the Pacific Northwest, so looking forward to some more steady prices, maybe a tick up on ferrous, and certainly some more volume. So we'll talk to all of you guys at the beginning of the next month and hope everything's really great. Thanks.